Welcome back to BasslineFresh. On today's video, we're going to be doing an engine bay detail. I've been getting a lot of requests for this type of video, and I finally have a good reason to do it. I recently ran over some roadkill deer on my way to work, and so now the entire underside of my car and in the engine bay was full of blood and fur, and it smelled horrible. So now, instead of putting it off, I'm going in the engine bay, cleaning it out properly, trying to get that smell out. Starting off, we hit up the engine with foam after we've placed a plastic bag and some protection around the battery and the fuse box. It's generally safe to get your engine wet. It gets wet during rainfall or in wet climates anyway. There's nothing wrong with that, but you just don't want to soak certain components that are in your engine bay. This is why I cover up the battery. Or, best case scenario, take the battery out, clean it separately, and you get clean underneath the battery and around that area. So once you've applied a nice layer of foam, try to get that foam everywhere you can. Raise your arms up, go from different angles, maybe even walk around the car a little bit. Try to get that foam everywhere it can go. After that, I go in with a very soft bristle brush, agitating anywhere I can reach, anywhere that looks like it isn't too fragile, anywhere that looks comfortable for me. I know a lot of people are apprehensive about doing an engine bay detail. They don't want to mess anything up, but for the most part, all of this stuff is really solid in here. You can go at it with a brush and lightly agitate. If you don't feel comfortable, just don't do it. Try to let the chemical and the foam get in there and wash it out that way. You don't have to do a physical agitation everywhere. It's better to be safe than sorry, but as you can see here, I'm going in, putting in a little elbow grease, hitting it up with another layer of foam, and then after that, you can do your pressure rinse. Once again, don't hold it in one spot, don't soak anywhere for too long. Keep it in nice smooth movements, always moving around the engine bay. Rinse out everything, try to get all the foam, try to get off any debris that might be stuck in there. And finally, you can either use some sort of air system like a fan or a leaf blower, or you can just let it air dry and sun dry like I did in this video. But the after is definitely going to be a huge difference. Most people don't even clean their engine bays for the entirety of owning their vehicle. The difference is stunning no matter what, just because it's such a rare sight. As you can see from the before and afters, it looks great, and I got the smell out from my engine bay. If you like this content, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. This has been BasslineFresh. See you guys next time.